Hello students. So today we are going to start question number 2 of cash book from DK Goel. Now see the question. Enter the following transaction in the MS Mukherjee and Brothers single column cash book है ये. Okay. So first of all we write this in the book of MS Mukherjee and Brothers. Okay. So first of all we write this heading, then after cash book and this format. Now first of all, on the 1st April 2023, 1st April, now the first point is balance of the cash in hand. Okay, it is the balance of cash in hand. So this is basically a opening balances. So we write this as to balance BD and the amount is 50,000. Okay, it means this is the closing figure of 31st March. Clear है? This is the closing figure of 31st March and the closing figure of 31st March will be carried down to the next year. ठीक है? Will brought down to the next year on 1st April 2023. So first entry will be written as to balance BD 50,000. ठीक है? कैश का ओपनिंग बैलेंस हमेशा डेबिट होगा. क्लियर है? नाउ द सेकेंड इज थर्ड परचेज गुड्स फॉर द कैश. सो थर्ड अप्रैल परचेज अकाउंट डेबिट एंट्री विल बी व्हाट? परचेज अकाउंट डेबिट फॉर द कैश यानी टू कैश. सो द कैश इज क्रेडिटिंग, सो वी राइट बाय परचेज and the amount is 22. Now the next purchase goods. Okay, ये नहीं मेंशन किया है कि either for cash or credit, so we consider it as the cash purchases. अगर कैश या क्रेडिट कुछ नहीं दिया, बस परचेज दिया है इसमें, परचेज गुड्स, हाँ परचेज गुड्स दिया है, तो हम यही मान के चलेंगे कि कैश परचेज हुआ है. सो on 7th April, again by purchase account and the 15,000 amount. Next is 10th, purchase goods from the Gopi. Okay, so the entry will be what? Purchase goods from the Gopi. So entry will be purchase account debit to Gopi. Here it is the name given, so it is the credit purchase. So name given, so it is a credit purchase, and we will not record any credit purchase or credit sales in the cash book. We record only the cash transactions. So skip this point. Purchase goods from the Gopi for cash. This will record. Purchase goods from the Gopi for cash 10,000. So by purchase 13th April. What will be the entry? Purchase account debit to cash. Okay, cash is in the credit column, so comes to the credit, and we will write by purchase account and the amount will be 10,000. Sold goods, again sold goods, so the entry will be what? Cash account debit to sales. ठीक है? It is only cash, sold goods is given. Okay, so when only sold goods is given, it is considered that it is a cash sales. So cash is in debit column, so comes to the debit, and we will write what? To sales account, purchase account, sales account 20,000. Again sold goods to Vishwakarma. What will be the entry? Sold goods to Vishwakarma. So Vishwakarma account debit to sales. Here the name is given, so it is the credit sales and we will not record this. Next 20, sold goods to Raghunandan for the cash. So what will be the entry? Just like this. Take. So to Raghunandan, sold goods to Raghunandan for cash. To sales account, the date is 20. Now see, to sales account, Raghunandan 18,000. Receive commission, what will be the entry? What will be the entry? Cash account debit to commission. Cash account debit to commission. So cash is in the debit column. So comes to the debit. And we will write what? To commission. To commission account. 5,000. Paid rent. So the entry will be what? Rent account debit to cash. So by rent account 20 na 30 sorry 30 April. By rent account 10,000. 25 April. ठीक. Now total receipt 50, 20, 70,000, 18,000, 5,000, 93,000, 93,000, and total payment 20 to 15,000, 57,000. Now on 30 April, buy balance CD. Okay, your total receipt is more than your total payment. So 93,000 minus 57,000, it was 36,000. Balancing figure is 36,000. 93,000. 93,000. Account close. And this closing figure will carry down 30 April, sorry, 1st May. This will be the opening figure. Buy balance BD and 36,000 ये हो गया. Clear है? This is the opening figure just like this. Okay. Cash balance 36,000. Okay, clear है, सही है. So by this way your question number 2 is also completed.